Hey, what's up everybody? Decided to make a quick video and a short video on how to make a homemade yellow jacket trap. So noticed a ton of yellow jackets on some of our hummingbird feeders. This is nothing fancy at all. I don't even know what size tote this is, but just take some cheap water bottles, or you can use a 2-liter bottle. I've seen some people make a trap with just one, but I had a few bottles, so I decided to make 2 entrances. Cut them in half. Simply cut some holes in the top. I have about 1 inch of water. I'll put a few drops of Dawn dish soap in the trap, and this is so when they hit the water, there's no water surface tension. This is 1 cup, actually 2 cups of 1-to-1 syrup to attract them. And we had some bone-in pork chops tonight, and that is the protein source for the yellow jackets. So there you go. And as that rots, it will become more attractive to them. And the concept is they will fly in and won't be able to fly out. So like usual, I will post a follow-up video here in a few days and let y'all know how this works. So I had this in the garage, so no cost. Had the duct tape, you know, no cost. Same thing with everything else, but if I had to guess, you can make a rather large homemade yellow jacket trap for anywhere in the neighborhood of $5 to $10. And it's reusable, of course. Alright, let me know your thoughts, if you have any tips or tricks for me, and I'll post a video in a few days, let you know how it's working.